Hi everyone, we are from Team 11, the Evolving Crab. Today we are going to present our work, Balancing Board, which is aiming to beat the pandemic by restoring the work-life balance. As every crustacean, such as crab, lobster, shrimp, converges by evolution into the crabs, we converge into people who understand reality better, and we are trying to improve it for everyone by using our curiosity. We aim to unite different disciplines to provide solutions to current challenges in the field of healthcare. Just like a single crab has many legs for its movements, we came together from various different backgrounds and united to solve a problem with a multidimensional approach. Next slide, please. We have developed a chat box that provides a user-friendly platform to track their individual habits, such as sleep patterns, moods, eating habits, as well as their productivity in daily life. We believe it's very crucial to have the right work balance. Hence, with the help of our platform, we aim to help the user to restore the optimum performance and well-being. Our board is more like a mirror. It will help to reflect one true self. Uh, Sometimes we tend to lie to ourselves for short-term pleasure or neglect our health unconsciously, and by the time we realize it's already late. My team has worked together very hard to address that problem. So we developed um, this chatbot to help uh, to keep a track that tracks the routine habits of the user. And in order to do that, we um, are presenting our work today.
Okay, so according to CDC, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a major impact in our life, and we believe we all agree with that. Many of us are facing challenges that can be stressful, overwhelming, and cause stress regardless our ages. Public health actions such as social distancing are necessary to reduce the spread of COVID-19, but they can make us isolated and lonely and can increase the stress and anxiety. Some of us feel persistent sadness, loss of interest in activities, troubleshooting, frustration, and list goes on. Next, next.
Our team has
From
united.
major depressive disorder. 8 in 10 adults worldwide have problems sleeping, and 3 in 4 American women have disordered eating. Motivated by this current problem, our team came up with a balancing bot. Balancing bot is a chatbot platform that can provide assistance toward your daily living. It helps you to maintain your health, lifestyle, productivity, your well-being, and most importantly, balancing bot help you to keep track on your lifestyle and help you in building up a new or optimize your current best productivity. Next. Balancing bot approach collect data user anonymously from their sleeping pattern, eating habit, mood, depressions, and productivity to reach our main goal of providing the best assistant to optimize your best self. Next.
Our goal is to help in maintaining physical and psychological health and well-being for every human being and achieve best state for every individual. We will try to enhance your health, productivity, provide psychological support and optimize lifestyle for your needs. Our system design look like this. We have a user and our line bot that will sample questions from our database. And based on the answers that user will give to our chatbot will store it in an individual user answer database. And our algorithms, based on deep learning and machine learning approaches, try to find the pattern that we can improve our question sampling techniques for each individual user to assemble as much information that we can use for helping. Also, we will provide the graphics for analytics that we made as user feedback mechanism. Now I will show you a demo of our bot.
Dima? Mhm.
Yeah, so you can now look at the demo, right? And so it's this is how it's gonna ask you the questions. This is gonna ask you the questions which so these questions are aimed at collecting the information about your daily life. And so once it has collected enough data, it will be able to output something similar to the graph you can see on the left. So this is just an example of what our program will be able to do in the future. Although this graph is just from the internet, it showcases the key features. So this is a correlation graph. As you can see, this graph has the same parameters on the x-axis and the y-axis. So for now, ignore the diagonal line with dark blue squares and look at the other squares. We can understand which parameters are closely related to each other by looking how dark the squares are. So, for example, shouting and daily stress are highly correlated parameters, and their square is blue, right? But for example, sleep and stress, well, not so much, and their square is white. Next slide.
Now coming to our business model, we need to target each person of a house or facility who can use cell phone and smartphone. And we also need to target the post-COVID health management system. We can do marketing through advertisement, initiatives of health management system, and medical diagnosis applications. For that, the resource we needed is the system software design and development team, marketing team, and the maintenance team. For the future enhancement in stage 2, we can see through this slide that we are actually converting our database to artificial intelligence. So here first our balancing bot, where our R&D is focused on, has four elements. One is first is sleep habits, second is depression, third is eating habits, fourth is productivity. These data will be stored in cloud database. Then we will train the AI using this database. After processing this data, as an outcome, we can improve our health related systems, and which will be helpful for health problem identification, early identification of issues, and quick diagnosis. This is our
Thank you
team.
very much. Thank you very much.